6 ways to fix iPhone and iPad keyboard not working properly. Force restart your iPhone. A simple device restart solves the problem a lot of the time, so the first thing you should do is just that. It will eliminate any minor bugs and glitches that might have occurred, thus fixing keyboard lagging. Reset your keyboard dictionary. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then go to General Settings. Scroll to the bottom and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and select Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Enter the iPhone passcode and confirm the action. Turn off Predictive text. Go to your iPhone settings. Then go to General Settings. Scroll down and tap on the keyboard option. Toggle the switch next to Predictive to disable the feature. Turn on or off the Reduce Motion feature. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and go to Accessibility Settings. Under Vision, tap on the Motion option. You'll see the Reduce Motion feature at the very top. If it's enabled, turn it off. If the feature is disabled, toggle the switch to turn it on. Look through keyboard settings and disable them. On your iPhone, open the Settings app. Then go to General Settings. Scroll down a bit and select the keyboard option. Go through all keyboard settings and disable them one by one. After disabling one feature, check if your keyboard stopped lagging. Update your iPhone. Go to your iPhone settings. Then go to General Settings. At the top, tap on Software Update. Wait while your device searches for available updates. If found any, tap on Download and Install. Hopefully, this video provided the information you were looking for. If you're using a Mac computer, we would like to suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. It will check your computer for malicious software infections and advertising supported software. The Disk Cleaner option will scan your computer for app caches, logs, downloaded files, and files still sitting in the trash. It will also show you how much space what files take up on your Mac. Combo Cleaner will also help you look through all big files on your Mac and delete those you don't need. You can also scan Mac for duplicate files. Sometimes you might not know that you have a few copies of the same file. A privacy scanner that will help you remove cookies, cache, browse history and more. And an app uninstaller that will find all hidden app components and uninstall them for you. You won't need to worry about viruses and clutter on your Mac anymore. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel.